Welcome to Phoenix, the Valley of the Sun. This is a metropolis where the cacti stand tall, the sunsets are on fire, and the temperatures can melt your popsicle. Nestled in the heart of the Sonoran Desert, Phoenix isn't just the capital of the Grand Canyon State. It's where cowboy spirit meets cosmopolitan chic. With an average of 300 sunny days a year, sunscreen is your best buddy here. This urban oasis is a true mosaic of culture and history, from ancient Native American heritage sites to modern art galleries and everything in between. So strap on those walking shoes, get that water bottle ready, and don't forget your sunglasses. This adventure through the heart of Phoenix is going to be a scorcher. Let's dive into some of the city's most iconic spots and soak up all the sun-soaked fun Phoenix has to offer. First stop, Roosevelt Row Arts District. This bohemian paradise is packed with creativity. This place is the beating heart of the city's art scene, where murals cover every imaginable surface, making it a walking gallery under the blazing Arizona sun. Roosevelt Row is like a rainbow explosion in the desert. Murals by local and international artists turn every street corner into a vibrant masterpiece. The district also boasts art galleries, quirky shops, and some of the best coffee spots in town. Don't miss the monthly First Friday Art Walks, a festival-like event where the neighborhood comes alive with street performances, food trucks, and open galleries. It's not just an art district, it's a living, breathing canvas of Phoenix's creative soul. If there's one place to get a taste of Phoenix's artistic side, Roosevelt Row is it. After getting artsy at the Roosevelt Row Art District, it's time to enjoy some green space in the desert at Civic Space Park. To get there from Roosevelt Street, head 550 meters south along Central Avenue. This lush 2.77-acre oasis in downtown Phoenix isn't just any park. It's a fusion of green space and urban innovation, perfect for a shady respite from the Arizona sun. Civic Space Park combines modern design with natural beauty. The park's spotlight feature is Her Secret is Patience, a stunning public art installation by Janet Eckelman. It's like a floating jellyfish made of steel and net, mesmerizing both day and night. The park also offers sustainable features like solar panels and water harvesting systems. Grab a seat on the spacious lawn, enjoy free Wi-Fi, or simply take in the urban skyline views. It's a hub for university students, downtown workers, and anyone looking for a tranquil spot in the midst of the city bustle. Don't forget to check out the local events hosted here, from yoga classes to music performances. After taking in some downtown vibe at the Civic Space Park, it's time to experience a bit of the divine at St. Mary's Basilica, Phoenix's oldest Catholic parish. To get there, head south on Central Avenue and turn left on Monroe Street. It's just a quarter of a mile away from Central Avenue. This basilica is brimming with spiritual and architectural beauty. Founded in 1915, St. Mary's Basilica stands as a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. St. Mary's Basilica is a European touch in the heart of the desert. With its Spanish colonial revival architectural style, it's a stunning sanctuary amidst the skyscrapers. Inside, the intricate stained glass windows and the tranquil ambience offer a serene escape from the city rush. The basilica is also famous for its musical events, including the grand organ concerts that echo heavenly tunes through its sacred halls. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or someone seeking solace, St. Mary's Basilica is a divine detour worth taking in Phoenix. After the historic St. Mary's Basilica, continue with that time travel at the Rosson House Museum at Heritage Square. To get there, continue heading east on Monroe Street. The Rosson House is on the next block from St. Mary's Basilica. This fully restored 1895 Queen and Victorian house offers a glimpse into Phoenix's past, nestled within the bustling modern city. The Rosson House is like stepping into a Victorian time capsule. Every room is meticulously restored with period-appropriate decor, providing an authentic look at life in Phoenix at the turn of the 20th century. Guided tours take you through the intricacies of Victorian living, from the grand parlor to the quaint bedrooms. The surrounding Heritage Square is equally charming, with historic homes housing museums, galleries, and even a few quaint eateries. It's a perfect blend of history and hospitality, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in the rich tapestry of Phoenix's evolution. After traveling down memory lane, it's time for some brainy and brawny fun at the Arizona Science Center. To get there, head south on 7th Street and turn right on Washington Street. The Arizona Science Center is a treasure trove of interactive exhibits and educational fun located in the heart of downtown Phoenix. It's a playground for the curious mind, regardless of age. This attraction is a wonderland of science and innovation, perfect for science buffs. With over 300 hands-on exhibits, a planetarium, and an IMAX theater, it's like having a science fair on steroids. Major highlights include the Forces of Nature exhibit, where you can experience a virtual tornado, earthquake, and monsoon all within minutes. And of course, don't miss the rooftop sky cycle, which combines physics with a touch of adrenaline. It's educational, sensational, and inspirational, perfect for budding scientists and lifelong learners alike. After dabbling with science, it's time for a home run at the Chase Field, your last destination for this walking tour. To get there, head south on 5th Street, and there on Jefferson Street, you will find Chase Field. Home to the Arizona Diamondbacks, Chase Field isn't just a baseball stadium. It's a marvel of modern engineering and entertainment. This is where sports, technology, and fun collide. With its retractable roof and air-conditioned environment, you can escape the desert heat while enjoying America's favorite pastime. It's like the ultimate cool-down spot in Phoenix. Stadium tours give you behind-the-scenes access to the locker rooms, dugouts, and even the pool area. If you're lucky, catch a game and bask in the electrifying atmosphere that only live sports can offer. From thrilling home runs to tasty ballpark snacks, Chase Field is the grand slam finale to our Phoenix adventure. And that wraps up our vibrant day in Phoenix. From artistic districts to historic sites and scientific wonders, we hope this urban escapade has given you a taste of this dynamic city. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.